Buying high quality goods to me is very important because it not only means minimizing waste, but also not blowing money on things that I'm ultimately going to have to replace again when they break. That's why I focus on what are called buy it for life items, products made of such a high quality or backed by such a strong repair or warranty program that they can realistically last a lifetime or be replaced if necessary. In another video I did just a little while back, I covered 5 of my favorite buy it for life kitchen items that I use all the time. Well, this video is part 2 to that series. 5 more buy it for life kitchen items that I recommend. First, if you don't know me, I'm Spencer and I like to talk about simple living, frugality, and digital minimalism. Let's get into it. Once again, this is part 2 of an ultimately top 10 list of buy it for life kitchen items. The first 5 were in an earlier video. If you'd like to see that video, I will link that above. As always, the links to all of the items I mentioned today will be linked down in the description if you'd like to check any of these items out. And a reminder that I always like to mention in these types of videos, if you already have an item that fits into any of these categories that you're satisfied with and that is working well for you, then I would recommend just keeping that and not looking to replace it with any of the things I'm mentioning today. If something's working for you, keep using it. We don't need any mindless consumerism here. Second, as much as possible, buy secondhand as often as you can. Most of the buy it for life items that I own have been bought on the secondhand market, oftentimes on places like Facebook Marketplace. This is a great and accessible way to get more expensive items, something that might be seen as more of an investment for the price that you would be paying new for the cheaper knockoff variation. But you're still going to get the quality, longevity, and better experience overall that comes from buying the real deal. And because you bought both the higher quality item and secondhand, if you ever choose to sell that item, you're going to get a much better value for it. So with all that out of the way, let's get into my next top 5 buy it for life items for the kitchen. Now, starting off today's video with my first buy it for life kitchen item, we have food storage, and that is the Onyx stainless steel container. Now, first up, I believe this is the 10 centimeter model, and I'm sorry Americans, it's 10 centimeters. I'll put the conversion up top. Now, these containers are made from number 316 food grade stainless steel. It is an all stainless steel construction, save for one silicone seal, which makes this a fully airtight container. The bottom part of the container is also dishwasher safe, although the top is not. They have these really nice sturdy clips on the side here where they just pop off, come down, and once again, yeah, they're good quality, very authoritative snap. This was a move for me once again trying to get away from plastic. I have a lot of those Pyrex containers as well, but with Pyrex I find that because of the plastic lid, that thing eventually starts to crack and it starts to fall apart, and I was kind of disappointed in that. So I had seen this recommended by another Canadian YouTube channel that I really love called Exploring Alternatives in one of their zero waste recommendation videos. I've had this thing for probably 2.5 years now, and it does not disappoint. It is very well built and it does a great job at what it's meant to do, which is store my food. Now, I honestly can't tell you a lot about the warranty on this thing. I don't even know if there is one, but I found that this is not something that I think is going to really run into any issues. I think these clips are pretty hardcore. I don't think they're going to break. They are going to be the point of failure if it did fail. But honestly, I think if one of the clips was to break, I would just use some sort of strap or something to hold this thing shut. I've used those Army Ranger bands in the past, and something like that would also be pretty good to secure this in a pinch. I don't think this is microwave safe because of the fact that it's stainless steel. I would be hesitant to microwave it, but I do think some of Onyx's products and other stainless steel products, some of them are actually advertised to be microwave safe. I don't own a microwave, so I've never had to deal with that. I usually just heat stuff up on the stove, but this has been a great container for me, especially if you're in a similar situation. You don't regularly microwave stuff and you want to prioritize getting plastic out of your life. This is a very good large container. It's a great size. I think if you were going to bring your lunch to work or something like that, having something that seals so well like this, it would be a good way to go. You're just not going to be able to microwave it when you get there. Okay, folks, so moving on to the next, what's this? Oh, hey folks, I've just been handed this tape. Apparently it's from the sponsor of this video, so let's put it in and see what it is.
This portion of Spencer's Adventures is brought to you by Brilliant.
Why, hello there. I'm just taking a walk through the gorgeous woods and mountain ranges of downtown Toronto, thinking on that strange human need to understand things. And honestly, folks, lately what I've been trying to understand is coding. But I'm a bit of a low-tech guy and my knowledge on this subject is essentially zero. But with the help of today's video sponsor, Brilliant, things are finally starting to click. Brilliant helps you to excel in math and computer science with visual, interactive problem solving and personalized practice. You do the thinking rather than fighting to stay awake through some boring lecture. Their courses sharpen the mind in a way that a walk like this sharpens the senses. The great thing about Brilliant is that it personalizes learning for you. Brilliant meets you where you're at and adapts as you go. It feels like discovering new ideas in the way that humans were always meant to, by jumping into the fray and getting our hands dirty. If you'd like to give Brilliant a shot, you can visit the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. And Brilliant's giving viewers 20% off an annual premium subscription with unlimited daily access. Thank you to Brilliant for the support. Now folks, I must return to the wilderness, and I believe you have some Buy It for Life kitchen items to get to.
Goodbye.
Well, that's something that will certainly stay with me for life. Let's keep moving with our list. On to the next Buy It for Life kitchen item that I recommend. We have Vitamix blenders. Now, this is my girlfriend's Vitamix blender, and she's had it for a lot of years at this point. If you don't know Vitamix, they make very good, very powerful, and also pretty expensive blenders. But like I said, these are very powerful. I will blend ice cream out of these using bananas, frozen bananas, no liquid, and just blend and tamp it down with the stick, and I will turn that into a frozen yogurt just made out of bananas. It's really good. If you go to a place that blends up protein shakes or smoothies or something like this, odds are they're either going to be using this or a Blendtec blender. The great thing about Vitamix is they also have an incredible warranty to back up their items. I believe the warranty is around 10 years. I also did a whole video on this. If you want to check that out, I will link that above as well. But the warranty is really good on here and it does work. Now, we had an issue with this blender actually like a year ago where there was like a freak accident. We were blending up a frozen strawberry and it actually cracked the side of the blender bucket. We thought we were pretty much toast and we're going to have to buy a replacement one of these pitchers, which is pretty much like $150. So we weren't looking forward to that. But I told my girlfriend to call Vitamix and see because I'd heard they have a pretty good warranty and we were very, very surprised and impressed. The woman from Vitamix not only told us she was going to claim the warranty and replace the blender pitcher for us, but she also had us disassemble the entire motorized blender base to make sure that no other parts were getting worn out or damaged and needed to be replaced at the same time. Within a very short time, and like I'm talking within a week, we got a brand new blender pitcher and tamper assembly. And that's just the kind of thing that you don't really see with companies anymore, folks. We didn't even have our receipt handy, I don't believe. Standing behind an electronic product like this and actually replacing it outright when something fails, that is almost unheard of at this point. And that really does help offset the cost for me on this because this is a lot more money than the typical cheaper blender that you might find. But knowing that you might be able to fully replace it if you need it and you're going to get a much higher quality experience the entire time, I think that makes it worth it. So definitely check out Vitamix if you're looking for a blender, if you're serious about blending and you want something high powered, it's a great way to go. And now with the next Buy It for Life item for the kitchen that I recommend, this is more of a generic recommendation. It's not a particular brand. It's an item that I've had for the last couple of years and I've really enjoyed, and that is a mortar and pestle. So I got this about a year or two ago now. I got this because I wanted to start making things like oat flour, for example, and I didn't want to buy a food processor necessarily. I found that it was a little bit too expensive with a food processor for the quality that you were going to get. I thought that they were too expensive. I thought they were pretty niche. And then I just thought that they weren't going to last a very long time. All of the reviews that I saw of the ones that were less than $100 said that they fell apart in a few months, and I did not want that. Well, I will tell you folks, this giant rock is not going to be falling apart anytime soon, and it rocks. One of my favorite healthier treats to make is one of my nutrition pucks. Yeah, that's what I call it, nutrition puck. Basically, it's all these healthy things that I can think of. It's got nuts, it has dates, it has oats, sometimes it has carob chips, it has seeds, raisins and cranberries too. I basically squish it all up, put it into a bar. Sometimes I'll bake it, sometimes I'll just put it in the fridge, and then I'll eat it. For that, I wanted to experiment with turning oatmeal into oat flour and using that in the recipe for a smoother texture. This is definitely very niche, I get that, and if you want to use one of these in the way that I'm using it to turn things like oatmeal into oat flour, you're going to feel like an Amish person or something like that. You're going to feel like somebody who is, for some stance, not using electricity, and it is pretty fun, but it does take longer. Whereas a food processor would probably take like 30 seconds to turn oatmeal into oat flour, this took like 10 minutes at least, and it was 10 minutes of hard work with my hands. However, I really don't think that that's necessarily a bad thing at all. It's getting a little bit of exercise. I was standing doing this as well. I was actually feeling the burn in my shoulders and my arms after a long time from doing all of that pressing, and it felt oh so sweet to have that oat flour at the end of it all. So I know this might be a bit of a hard sell for some, but it is good to have. It can be used for a variety of things, and it's very easy to clean. All you got to do is just wash it out and dry it. You could grind your coffee in here if you were really determined. You can definitely grind spices up in here. That is one of the purposes of a mortar and pestle. You can do a lot of things with them. So yeah, mortar and pestle, I think it's a great thing to have in the kitchen, and one like that is truly Buy It for Life. Now, continuing with my next Buy It for Life kitchen item that I recommend, it is my Duralex glass. Now, before you come at me in the comments, yes, this glass is pretty well Buy It for Life, or at least as Buy It for Life as a glass product can come. Now, I will say these can break, but they are designed to break in very small pieces as a safety feature, so you're less likely to hurt yourself by stepping on the little pieces. But I have heard that that makes a really big job cleaning up. Around here in Toronto, Duralex is a very common cup that you're going to see in restaurants, and the reason for that is because it's made of tempered glass. The tempered glass construction is really important here because it makes this thing almost shatterproof if you're to drop it. Now, I'm sure we've all had an experience at some point in our life of dropping a glass and having it break. I've dropped this thing 3 or 4 times now and nothing has happened. There's not even a chip. And that is pretty in keeping with the reputation of these Duralex cups, and I've also found that they're really good for hot beverages as well. Duralex is a pretty popular brand if you haven't heard of them already. They come in a variety of different sizes, from almost shot glass size to very large drinking glass size. They also come in a variety of colors. Whenever I might make a latte at home, I'm making it in this cup. Whenever I'm drinking water, I'm drinking it out of this cup. This is pretty much my daily driver when I'm at home. Now, you might not be able to whip this at the wall and have it survive, but this thing is going to be more robust than the average drinking glass, and it's not very expensive either. I'm pretty sure this cup was like $4, and I think that's a pretty good deal for something that I'm going to use every day and something that can survive a drop and I'm not going to have to replace it. This is such a classic and timeless design. It looks good no matter what drink you're putting in it, no matter what size or color you get, and it's robust. All right, folks, now wrapping up this video with my final Buy It for Life kitchen item that I recommend. This one's a coffee thing. This is my Snow Peak collapsible stainless steel pour over. This thing is honestly really cool. It is stainless steel, as I mentioned, and it is fully collapsible. Just watch how much this thing collapses. It's like a cootie catcher. Now, the previous one of these that I had was Melita branded, and it was giving me no trouble, but the only issue was that it was plastic. I knew I ultimately wanted to get a ceramic or metal version of this, and I had had my eye on this for a while, but thankfully, once again, my sweet girlfriend got this for me for a gift. Now, if you like camping and you like coffee, this thing is pretty much a no-brainer. The fact that you can fold it down like this and you can stick it in your backpack just makes it so easy to get up and go. Snow Peak really specials in titanium, even though they do have stainless steel items like this. They have titanium cups, bowls, plates, and even cutlery. Those items are also super high quality, and if you're a backpacker or a hiker or even camp a lot, then you're gonna like those things. I have a few of them myself and I love them all. But honestly, this pour over is the one that's gotten the most use over the years. I just love the design. I love the fact that it's so sleek that it can pop down like this and just easily get stored in a cupboard. It's not taking up a bunch of room. And then whenever I need it, I just pop it out, and I also have a reusable filter that I put in here. Though I don't have any experience with it myself, Snow Peak also does offer a lifetime guarantee on all of their hard goods like this. The warranty pretty much only covers manufacturer defects though, so please do keep that in mind. That being said, this is such a simple design that I just can't see anything going wrong with it. It's all metal. I've had no issues with mine over the years that I've had it, and I have no doubt that it's going to last me for a very, very long time. And overall, folks, I just want to say one more thing about Buy It for Life items. Buy It for Life is obviously dependent on the company making high quality goods and also having a warranty to stand behind it, but in part, it's also dependent on the consumer to take care of those goods as well. If you put the lid of the Onyx container in the dishwasher when you're not supposed to, for example, it's going to wreck the seal and the thing won't be airtight. Likewise, if you store the folding coffee pour over in a weird spot and it gets all bent out of shape, that's really on you. With anything you want to last, it's important to buy nice, but you also have to do a good job taking care of these things in order to see them last a lifetime. Well, that's about it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video of 5 more of my top Buy It for Life items for the kitchen. If any of the items that I mentioned today are something that you have had a personal experience with, good or bad, then let us know in the comments, because it's always good to hear other people's opinions on these products. Likewise, if there's any other great Buy It for Life kitchen items that I didn't mention between these last 2 videos, then please enlighten us in the comments. I always love hearing your suggestions, and I love seeing the community that we've built around this channel. Thanks very much for watching today, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.